Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important basic Java entry question. When should we use interface or abstract class? There are two types of inheritance: implementation inheritance and interface inheritance. Implementation inheritance is where the subclass inherits the actual code implementation from the parent class. Interface inheritance is where the subclass adheres to the public interface of the parent. So implementation inheritance is like you are inheriting some code from the base class, whereas interface inheritance is in the subclass you are just inheriting the signatures from the parent. Use abstract Java classes when you want to provide some standard base code, but you want to force the users of your class to complete the implementation. So you provide the skeleton implementation and you are forcing the subclass to write the specific code. So the common code is moved to the base class and we are making it as an abstract class, and the specific classes will write the specific code, so that we are trying to avoid duplication of code. The main benefit of interface is to support multiple inheritance in Java. So please remember, in your class design, if you want to support multiple inheritance, please go ahead and use interfaces, because in Java one class can extend only from one class. It cannot extend multiple classes. It can implement only multiple interfaces. Okay, so whenever you are in need of multiple inheritance, then think about interfaces. A class want to use multiple features of Java, then you can use interface. For example, a subclass want a thread operation and it wants to write to a file, then you can use runnable interface and serializable interface. The conclusion is, if your class want to use multiple features of Java, then use interfaces. I have given an example here. I have employee, contact employee and regular employee. So there is a common behavior between these two classes, these two subclasses. So these common behaviors can be moved to the base class and we can mark it as abstract class, because we don't want duplication of code in the specific classes. We can move that methods to the base class, and the specific methods, the methods that are specific to these base classes, these subclasses can be implemented in these concrete classes. So common code from the subclasses can be moved to the base class, so that we can avoid code duplication. In case of interfaces, please think that if your specific classes or concrete classes or subclasses want to support multiple features of Java or multiple features from within your application, then go ahead and use interfaces. If there are no common behaviors, there is no common code that you want to inherit, plus these subclasses want multiple features, then go ahead and use interfaces. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.